Japan elevator to space cost about $7 billion. Isn't it too cheap for building a space elevator with a space city on top? The cost of putting a payload beyond geostationary orbit can be cut for hundreds of dollars per kilogram. There is a problem in which carbon nanotubes, as proposed as an ideal material due to its high tensile strength. What about the feasibility of translating the nanoscale into a megastructures? Even the moon landing was not possible with any known material. They should already done it with the moon landing if it was really that feasible. It's funny that people still believe it, believing that all the infrastructure is 36,000 kilometer made out of carbon nanotube cable. And this is something no one built, even just a single kilometer of it. A very thin carbon material entering the atmosphere at a high velocity would likely burn up before it even goes up or down. The only obstacle I see in this is the manufacturing. Because the space, as we know, it stays where it is, outside a geosynchronous orbit, and all held up by a centrifugal force. Let's say they have these nanotube carbons. Since it is a strong material, but without the ability to manufacture 36,000 kilometer of any cohesive cable, the space slingshot or elevator will be a pure fiction. What about the obstacle of how to avoid debris, or what we call orbital debris? These satellites, millions of satellites, these asteroids, as all of these people believe in a globe Earth. Isn't it concerning? They already struggled finding what real planets are, or even a star on a telescope. And you tell me this elevator would work and it will be ready on 2050? It's a long year, so no, I don't believe it. Assalamu alaikum.